My dad found us, and Dad found him in the middle of the road. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. He's walking currently toward the pond. Being a good turtle, he is. This little guy was in the road. I don't think he would have been hit because he was off on the other side. But you know, the car's force would have pulled him into the road. So he would have been really badly hurt. I'm talking about you, buddy. Yes. Look at it. Dude just dove in. Well, there he goes. Bye. I'll see you at home.